A Rainy Day Adventure by Hari Sapna Nair. It was a cloudy, rainy day. The kind of day you want to stay inside with a good book and a hot cup of tea. But for 10-year-old Ishika, it was a day filled with adventure. Ishika had always loved the rain. She cherished how clean and fresh everything smelled, as well as the sound it made as it brushed against the windows. She adored the way it gave the impression that the entire world had been well cleaned. On this particular rainy day, Ishika had been looking forward to spending the day indoors with her favorite book, The Famous Five. But her plans were quickly detailed when her best friend, Adrija, called to ask if she wanted to come over and play. Ishika hesitated for a moment, thinking about how cozy she could be at home. But the thought of spending the day with her best friend won out in the end. She grabbed her raincoat and umbrella and set out on the short walk to Adrija's house. As she walked, she noticed that the rain was getting heavier and the wind was starting to pick up. By the time she reached Adrija's house, she was soaked through to the bone. But she didn't mind. Adrija's house was warm and cozy, and the two girls spent the morning playing board games and watching movies. But as the rain wore on, they grew restless. We should do something, Ishika said, looking out the window at the pouring rain. Adrija grinned. I have an idea. She disappeared into her room and emerged a few moments later with two bright yellow raincoats and a pair of rubber boots. Let's go outside, she exclaimed. Ishika's eyes widened in surprise. Outside in this weather? Adrija nodded, her eyes sparkling with excitement. Why not? It will be an adventure. Ishika hesitated for a second, but she couldn't help but give in to her friend's contagious expression. She slipped on the raincoat and boots and followed Ishika out the door. The rain was coming down in sheets now, and the wind was howling around them. But the two girls didn't seem to mind. They splashed through puddles and laughed as the rain drenched them to the skin. As they walked, they observed that the gutters were beginning to fill with rainwater and that the water was pouring like a little river down the street. They ran with the current, attempting to match its speed as they did so. But as they turned a corner, they saw that the water had started to overflow onto the sidewalk. They paused for a moment, looking at the rushing water in front of them. Adrija grinned again. Race you to the other side. Before Ishika could protest, Adrija had taken off running, splashing through the water with abandon. Ishika hesitated for a moment longer before taking off after her friend. They made it to the other side, breathless and laughing, just as the rain started to ease up. The sun was starting to peek through the clouds, and the world around them was suddenly brightened and more colorful. They walked the rest of the way to their home alone, each immersed in her own thoughts. Ishika couldn't believe how much fun she had had and how much she had enjoyed being outside in the rain. Just as Adrija had described, it had been an adventure. As they reached Adrija's house, Ishika turned to her friend with a smile. Thanks for today, she said. I had a really great time. Adrija grinned back. Anytime, Ishi, anytime. And with that, the two girls hugged each other tightly, knowing that they had just shared a special memory that they would cherish for years to come.